Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing about parametric test and non-parametric test. These are the two statistical tests to analyze the data of the research. This topic is very crucial for UGC NET examination as well as PhD entrance examination and your PhD coursework as well. So let's begin. What is parametric test? Parametric test is done when the data is usually distributed and it is in numerical value. For example, if a teacher measure the height of the students, he has four students, let's say. If the height of first student is 148 centimeter, second is 149 centimeter, third is 150 centimeter, and the fifth and the fourth is 151 centimeter. So what we see? We see that data is start from 148 and last with 151. So here we are seeing that data is not unusually distributed. It means what? Here we see that none of the student is either too short or too large. For example, neither the student is 220 centimeter or 120 centimeter. Data is not unusually or abnormally distributed. The variation is very less. Data is distributed between 148 to 151. So this is a normal distribution. In this scenario, the teacher will find out the average of the height of four students because data is normally distributed. It is not too skewed. So parametric test is applied here. Apart from this, the data is in numerical value 148, 149, 150 and 151. So parametric tests are applied in this scenario. The example of parametric test can be t-test, ANOVA test, Pearson correlation, etc. On the other hand, non-parametric test. What is this? Non-parametric tests are used when the data is not normally distributed. It is opposite of parametric test. What does it mean? For example, if the teacher measure the height of four students, the height of one student is 148 centimeter, the second is 149, the third is 220 centimeter, and the fourth is 120 centimeter. So data is abnormally distributed. In this scenario, he cannot take average out of 4. So what will he do in this scenario? He will rank, he will assign rank or order to the student. For example, he or she can say that the first rank is this student and the second rank is this student and so forth. So in non-parametric test, we cannot find out the average, rather than we assign the rank to the student or order to the students or any other participants. So this is the key difference between the parametric test and the non-parametric test. Data is normally distributed in parametric test. On the other hand, data is not normally distributed. Data is fluctuate in large extremes. Apart from this, in non-parametric test, data may not be in numerical value. For example, if a teacher ask, if a teacher measure the, or if a teacher ask the students to rank their happiness level between 1 to 5. So one student give 4 numbers, other give 3, another give 4. So here here we will give rank. We cannot quantify the happiness exactly. Rather, we can only give the rank. It means that this student is so happier and this is so that much happy and this one is that much happy and so forth. So whenever we can't quantify the things exactly, then we apply the non-parametric test. What can be the example of non-parametric test? For example, Mann-Whitney U test, Kruskal-Wallis test, and Pearson correlation test, etc. So these basic difference you have to keep in mind while studying this statistical test to analyze the data. It will really help you in your preparation. Okay, so this is all about in this video. Thanks for watching.